Hello everyone. At first, welcome to PHNIX. And here I want to share something about the developments in heat pumps. And there are about three parts. The first one is the epidemic bring changes to China export. And the second one is the PHNIX workout for the market. The third is the PHNIX do something is for the EU decarbonization. From here you can see, and the world situation is still not so stable because of the COVID-19. And so we must find a solution for the market, for the customers. You see, and in the past, more than 10 years, and each year we have about 10 times to visit different customers all over the world and to offer the training and service. But now we use this online service. We can use Zoom, we can use the WeChat, and for the meeting and also training. This also, in the past, each year we have 2 or 3 times this on-site exhibition to show some new products and new technologies. Now we use online exhibition, and this is the efficient, and also is the more and more easier for the customers to discuss something, and this now we are trying it. Here you can see the market is the demand for heat pumps is still going up, and compare last year and this year up to now, it still have very good growth, and we can check it roughly is from the 50% to 70% is the big growth. And so PHNIX always thinks something new and for the market to serve, to meet the demand of the customers. And here, and we want to show you about our internal improvement and for the automatic our production and to improve the quality and the productivity. Please enjoy it. Okay, come back again. And I will share something more with you. And from here you can see, and we developed something new. For example, we use the inverter, the heat pump, and can have very good the COP, especially as COP. For the oil, the running, the operation, you can save the cost. and also it's more comfortable. And also you can check PHNIX EVI heat pumps. We can work to -30. And even in very cold the area in winter, it still can have the very good temperature for the house heating and the hot water. And here, also we use more and more the smart control system. For example, we have the Wi-Fi and also DTU technology, and you can remote control your heat pump and change the data and also set the mode. And it's easier for you to check the state, and also for you to see if the temperature is good enough or not. It's more and more smart. Also, you can have the platform for the distributors, and you can do the service and to check and the running. And here is our product. For example, now, and the majority of our heat pumps is with the green refrigerant is R32. Is very low with the GWP. And also we have another is the new product is with CO2 system. It's for the commercial hot water, and can give over 75 degree the sanitary hot water. And meanwhile, we have another new design is with of course it's not ready. Is with the propane is the R290, and this one will be the more and more popular in Europe. So you can see here, the development is more and more friendly to the environment. And of course, and not only we develop some new products with very good new technologies, and also we have the service structure. And now we have the Europe Service Center in Sweden, and we can in the service center we have the after sales service, and also we have the product demonstration and the testing. And meanwhile, offer better service to our European customers, and we can offer the training there. And of course, our partner is in Sweden. They can, as you know, in Sweden. They can speak quite good in the English, and so that is why we set up the service center in Sweden. And of course, for PHNIX, our commission is to help the European, France, to improve the environment. And of course, you can see it's from the Paris Agreement. And we must keep the global temperature, and the increase is lower than 2 degrees. Of course, if we can do it better, and we can keep it lower than 1.5 degrees. That is, thank you.